New Copilot feature is just landed on my Outlook. Copilot is now capable to prioritize your email according to factors that you can define through instructions. But let me show you how this new feature works. Let's get started. Here I am in Outlook. This is the new Outlook. You are going to have same experience between Outlook for web and Outlook for Windows or Mac. So once you play to start with this feature, you are going to experience a pop-up showing up here which tell you if you want to use and set up Copilot prioritize function. In this case, I have seen this in the very beginning when this function was available in my tenant, but I don't see anymore because I clicked on it. But to reopen this specific setting, click on the wheel icon in the upper right corner, and then in the left pane you can target Copilot. Here you are going to see a new item under preferences called prioritize. Now here is where you can turn on this function. You have a checkbox here which asks you if you want to show AI generated summaries in the message list for prioritized email. So you have the ability to have this blue highlight with a short description to emphasize and summarize very briefly your email. You can have this by turning on this checkbox. You have also the ability to apply low priority label to new emails that you are going to get if you want to see this icon appearing next to the email. Let's have this as well. And now you can define the instructions how Copilot should act and how Copilot should prioritize your email. So you have a bunch of options here. In my case, what I'm going to emphasize it's about project X. So I am fully involved in this project and I want to have high priority email once something mentioned this project X in the email or in the subject. So I want to have this. Moreover, you can add additional factors. So let's say that you work on a specific product or service or on a specific function in your organization. So let me say, for example, it's about Copilot. Since I'm involved on it in the rollout in the organization, I want to have this priority, this email marked as priority. Okay, I can now save, but I can also provide factors for low priority instructions. So for example, let's say that I get other topics around Outlook. So it's about Outlook. So I collaborate with another team, but this team is responsible for Outlook. I, as architect, it makes sense that I'm involved in this topic, but I don't need to act as the main character here on this topic. So I want to have this marked as low priority. Okay, let's save these instructions. And now, whenever I'm going to receive an email, according to my factors and instructions that I provided, Copilot should mark now and label, apply a priority to my new email. So I have here another browser instance open and I'm acting now as Adele Vance. I have already prepared an email here. I'm going to send this email to Giuliano asking information about the project X. So this is mentioned in the body of the email and in the subject. So let me send now this email and let me send a second email to Giuliano, of course, because it's there that we set up and configured this behavior to prioritize the email. I want to get now information about, let me just write about Outlook I need to configure a delegate. I need to delegate my manager to handle my mailbox. Let's say something like that. Okay, let me be polite, of course. Let me just say hi at least. Okay, let's send this second email. And now I'm going to jump back to the Giuliano view to see if these new emails are marked properly. Here I am back on Outlook as Giuliano, and I can see that Copilot marked as high priority this first one because Project X is mentioned in the email, and I can see a very short summary here. And then I have this marked as low priority because Outlook is mentioned in the email. So this is how it works, this new functionality, and you can now experience this new scenario. I think it's more easy now to follow up immediately on a high priority email instead of the old scenario. I'm very curious about your thoughts on this new capability rolling out in Outlook of Copilot. So let me know in the comment down below your feedback, thoughts, if you see this as a very nice and helpful and productivity step forward in your daily work. I hope to see you next time.